Hey guys, so if you have the issue that Unity is not opening and you don't know what to do about it, is that it's not opening projects. So how we can possibly fix it is disabling antivirus, closing all other applications. Signing out the hub might be what you mean by refreshing license, acting like you've given up, then quickly launching before the hub can react. And also you can try restarting the PC and make sure your hard drive is in full. So find your editor X for the Unity version you're using. The window should prompt you sign in or activate license. You should see a window listing projects similar to Unity Hub, but not Unity Hub. At this point, you can run the project from there or close it and run from Unity Hub. So that's something you can do. So yeah. And he just wrote here, he had to complete Windows reinstall.